What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. If you have a Honda Civic 8th generation and the maintenance light is on, showing B13, it means that your transmission and the engine oil need to be replaced. I have already replaced the engine oil. Today I will be replacing the transmission fluid in this 2007 Honda Civic. The process will be similar for other Honda motor vehicles. This is the transmission fluid that will be needed, ATF DW1. I bought 4 quarts but only need 2.5. To do this job I need a funnel, drain bucket, hydraulic jack, and a 3/8 ratchet. I'll now start the process. Now I will raise the car with the jack and use jack stand for support. The plug bolt is located right here. I will now use the 3/8 ratchet to remove this bolt. I can see that this oil is dirty. I'll just leave it to drain. It's a good time to inspect the drain bolt. At the tip is magnet, which is designed to pick up metal shavings. If you have metal shavings here, it's a bad day. That means the internal of the transmission is breaking down. This vehicle is almost 300,000 miles and I currently have no shavings on this magnet. That's good for me. I need to now lower the vehicle to finish draining the oil, but this current oil pan is too high. I will switch the oil pan to this one because it's lower. So the drainable oil is out. Now I can reinstall the drain plug bolt. I will torque the drain plug to 36 foot-pounds. Now, I will use this measuring container to measure the amount of oil I drained. Then try to put that same amount of oil back in for the start. I will need to add more oil or remove some oil, depending on if too much oil or too little oil was inside the transmission before I drained it. It shouldn't take more than 3 quarts, which is 3 bottles. This vehicle had little over 3 quarts of oil, but it shouldn't be that much. It should be less than 3. So I'm going to put a little less than 3 quarts of oil back in this transmission. I will then park the vehicle on a level surface and check the fuel level when the oil is at operating temperature. So now I will add the transmission fluid. The drain plug is right here. I need to remove it. It has this yellow circle. Now I will use this funnel, and it's nice to have one of these long reach funnels. Now I will pour in the transmission fluid. That's the first bottle. That's the second bottle. And this is the third bottle, but I didn't pour all of it in. I left a little bit, about 1/4 of a quart. Now I'm going to turn on the vehicle, turn off the AC, and leave the car running on a leveled surface. I will just sit around, play some games on my phone until I hear the radiator fan chips in. I will then turn off the vehicle and wait for about 30 to 45 seconds for the oil to settle a bit. Then I will check the oil. Fan is now running, which means the vehicle is at operating temperature. I will now turn off the vehicle and let it sit for a bit. Now I can check the transmission oil. I will remove the dipstick, wipe it off, and dip one more time. I can see here the oil is at the correct level. No need to drain or add any oil to this transmission. One more thing to do is to reset the maintenance light. To reset the maintenance code, continuously press the set or reset button until the maintenance code is displayed right here with the oil life percentage. It is showing that I only have 10% of oil life. My code is B13. To reset this, press and hold the set reset button for about 10 seconds. Release as soon as these numbers start to flash. Next, press and hold the set reset button again until this number disappears and the oil percent is changed to 100%. The job is done. Thanks for watching, but before you go, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys.